Welcome to the Data Standards Body YouTube channel. I'm Neale Morison. I'm a technical writer with the DSB. The standards maintenance process facilitates the proposal of enhancements, corrections, or changes to the consumer data standards. Maintenance iterations run throughout the year adjacent to the decision proposal consultations. To contribute to future maintenance iterations, request an invitation at contact@consumerdatastandards.gov.au. This video discusses the outcomes and actions of Maintenance Iteration 20, MI20. MI20 opened on 17th of June 2024 and ended on 10th July 2024. There were 5 working group meetings in that period. The consultation for Maintenance Iteration 20, MI20, is captured in Decision Proposal 353, DP 353. Issues leading to changes in CDS Release 1.32.0. A number of issues led to changes in Consumer Data Standards version 1.32.0. The issues are listed here. For details, see the CDS version 1.32.0 release notes and DSB video 128, CDS 1.32.0 release walkthrough and changes. Standards maintenance issues. 410, clarify RateString description and examples. 411, fix typos. 413, merge changelog and archives sections. 417, non-existent property amount listed as required. 418, add a link to CX guidelines to the left menu pane of the standards. 419, field name styling. 426, error in telco OAS components. 437, remove known issues. 438, improve code sample section styling. Standards issues. 641, banking, update CDS documentation to clarify expected rate value sign, plus or minus, for each rate type. 647, maintenance iteration 20, holistic feedback. 648, security, adopt BCP 195 for TLS cipher. 652, energy, specify units of currency to be used for the amount string field type. 653, energy plan tariff period, cater for plans with no daily supply charge. Other issues. MI20 outcomes included a change to the CX guidelines, which was not part of the CDS version 1.32.0 release. Issue 646, clarify selection of trusted advisor in the CX guidelines. This change request was on behalf of Chartered Accountants Australia and New Zealand, CAANZ, CPA Australia, CPA, and the Institute of Public Accountants, IPA. The change request proposes the removal of the About Trusted Advisor screen, a change to the heading of the list of trusted advisors from Trusted Advisor Directory to Trusted Advisors. A guideline to clarify that this is intended to be a list of trusted advisors that the consumer has already nominated. Data Standards Body response to Issue 646. Issue 646 provides a detailed response to this change request. In summary, the Data Standards Body will not make new guidelines to state that the list of trusted advisors is limited to those a consumer has already nominated. The intention of Rule 1.10c4b is to prohibit a situation where a consumer is forced to select a particular person as a TA by an ADR. However, there may be reasonable grounds to offer a single TA to a consumer where they have previously nominated that TA. The Data Standards Body has made the following CX guidelines changes. Amending Trusted Advisor Directory to select a trusted advisor for simplicity. Removing the trust rating component in the About Trusted Advisor screen, clarifying through a new CX guideline that it is optional for an ADR to offer a TA disclosure service for any TA of the consumer's choosing, clarifying through a new CX guideline that a consumer's selection of a TA can constitute nomination. That concludes this summary of Maintenance Iteration 20 outcomes. For more detail, read issue 353 and the other issues listed. Thank you for participating in the Consumer Data Standards.